almost to the point where they can't be seen. Y'all do the same thing with a band. I'm Josh Parks with Parks Floor Sanding, and I just want to tell you a little bit about our company. So my grandfather started a business in the 1950s in Greensboro, North Carolina. My father moved it to Statesville, North Carolina in 1983, and we've been here ever since. He taught me how to do hardwood flooring, and I'm teaching my son how to do hardwood flooring. We're a 4-generation business.
Also is a Christian business. I want everybody to know that. Try to do this without getting carry out.
So we had Josh and the guys come out, and not only did they refinish, they actually did a pretty extensive patch job right in our front walkway. And they did an excellent job. You can't even tell they fixed anything.
I like the work that they did. The floors look great. They're fantastic, in and out, no time at all.
Customer service is great. These guys are professional, they're friendly, they care about us. They wanted to get us back to our normal house as soon as possible, and they did just that. It was awesome.
My name is Marsha Johnston. Parks Flooring did my floors when I built my home 29 years ago. I had them refinished 4 years ago. I had hardwood floors put in my bedroom. They did a great job. I'm happy, happy, happy.
What I love about Josh is that he not only is a great worker, but keeps things moving and is lively, and I absolutely love that about him.
They did a great job. They try hard to please the patrons. They've been in business for years, 4 generations, and people around here know them as good people, honestly.
I'm pretty pleased with how everything turned out. How about you?
Yeah, it looks absolutely fantastic.